Hello, investors. We are super excited to announce the first new feature release on Sharply for the year 2026, and it is one of the most requested feature on the Sharply by the Sharply community members. And this feature is called Titan Tracker. Right, so to open this, you need to go to Analysis tool and then click on Market and then go to Titan Tracker. Right, and this feature will help you analyze the portfolios of investing superstars. Right, so this is the default view of Titan Tracker where you can see highest quarterly buy and sell the stocks and the overall sectoral allocation of all the investing titans of India, right? So all superstar investors will be available here. As you can see, this is the card view of the investors, and as you can see here, you have the top holding, top sector, and recent buy and sells available, if any. Right? So you have Premjan Associates, Radhakrishan Damani, the founder of DMart, right? Rekha Junjunwala, Mukul Agrawal, Akash Bansali, and so on. If they have any recent changes in their portfolio, it will be visible here. And to get a detailed view, you can click on any of the cards and then check. So let's analyze the portfolio, publicly available portfolio of Ashish Kacholia. So there are, the portfolio value currently is as of now is 2,347 crore, and there are 49 stocks in the portfolio. Top holdings are this, recent buys are this. Now for only BSE listed stocks, you will get a number like code like this, but in the detailed view, you will be able to see the name of the stock. You will be able to open the detailed view of the portfolio. So as you can see, there is a quick description, and you have here the portfolio value trend, right? So how the portfolio has evolved over years. Right, so this is the trend. Here you have the latest quarterly changes. So these three are buys, this one is sell, and the sectoral allocation of this superstar. So for us, Kacholia's portfolio, around 45% of the current portfolio value is invested into capital goods, and you can check the other sectors as well. And then you have detailed view of the holdings, right? And that changes. So if the change is negative, so if there is a selling in this name, you will see this red trend, red color, right? So 8 point from 8.97 to 5.83 to 5.21, there is a constant selling. Then after that, there is no selling, so you can see the white boxes. And if there is fresh buying, you will see it will be highlighted in green. So if there is increasing in portfolio stake, you will see it in green. And as you can see, for these names, we have data available, but for the names for which we are still waiting for the December 2025, you will see this asterisk mark and you will see this awaited note here, right? So, and if we go to the next pages, you can see that this Indo SM says something in which there is a fresh buying. So you will see this new tag, right? So based on that, you will be able to analyze all the current holdings, all the additions or the selling. So if there is a further buying, you will see something like this. If there is a selling, you will see something like this. So quarter on quarter change. And if there is a new entry in, then you will be able to see this new. So this Ed County Media is something where there is a new warning. And as I mentioned earlier, this is only BSE listed company. So code is available, but in detail, you will have the name as well, right? And if you want to analyze this company in detail, you simply do multiple things. So you can look at the performance, you can add them to the watch list, you can look at the fundamentals, talking point, technical charts, and analyze this company in detail. And you will be able to have a detailed view like this of all the investors that we analyzed in this step. So there are many investors in this list. So there are more than 50 investors. You can check each of their portfolio and find interesting ideas. So this can be one of the points using data points using which you can find new investment ideas. If you find something interesting, you can dig deep and then create your own thesis and attract the position, right? So and note that this should not be used as a buy and sell recommendation. Don't follow these investors blindly. They have much more undisclosed positions as well in unlisted securities, and their risk profile will be different than yours, right? So use this as a starting point to find some interesting names. Use this to track your favorite investing superstar, but don't just copy their portfolios blindly. And this one more clarification that here is that this data is taken based on the publicly disclosed shareholding by the company. So, as you all know, if the shareholder has more than 1% of the equity in the company needs to show their name in their quarterly announcements, right? So, based on that, we formulate this data, and then you are seeing this type of portfolio analysis of investing superstars. And if you have any feature suggestion for this, so if you want any more data points or want something else, you can always connect with us on Sharply community.